In the middle of the Karakum Desert, there is a crater that has been burning for more than 50 years. At night, it glows like something from another world, a circle of fire in the darkness, a wound in the desert that refuses to close. It is known around the world as the door to hell, but its real name is the Darvaza Gas Crater. The crater is in Turkmenistan, near the village of Darvaza. From above, it looks like a huge, circular pit in the sand. Inside it, flames have burned across the floor and edges for decades. The most common version of the story begins in 1971. Soviet geologists were exploring the area for natural gas. During drilling, the ground reportedly collapsed into an underground cavern. The equipment was swallowed, and a large crater opened in the desert. But the collapse was only the beginning. Natural gas was escaping from below. The concern was that dangerous gases could spread into the surrounding area. So, according to the popular account, engineers decided to set the crater on fire. The idea was simple: burn the gas off, wait a few days. Then the fire would go out. But it did not go out. Days became weeks. Weeks became years, years became decades, and the crater kept burning. That is what turned Darvaza into a legend, a place created by accident, a fire started as a temporary solution, and a flame that outlasted everyone's expectations. For years, the door to hell became one of the strangest sights in Central Asia. Travelers crossed the desert to stand near its edge. At night, the glow could be seen from far away. The heat rose from the pit, the flames moved across the floor, and the crater looked less like a geological accident than an entrance to something beneath the world. But the reality is not supernatural. It is natural gas. The crater burns because methane and other gases have continued to escape from underground. That also makes the site more than just a strange landmark. It is an environmental problem. Burning gas releases carbon dioxide. Unburned methane can be even more damaging to the climate. And for Turkmenistan, the crater also represents wasted natural resources. Over the years, officials have discussed ways to control or extinguish the fire. In recent years, reports have suggested the flames have become weaker, and Turkmenistan has been trying to reduce or contain the blaze. But even if the flames fade, the story remains strange, because the door to hell is not an ancient myth. It is not a volcano. It is not a religious monument. It is the result of human activity, underground pressure, and a decision that was expected to last only a short time. That may be the most unsettling part. The fire was not meant to become famous. It was not meant to burn for generations. It was supposed to solve a problem. Instead, it became the problem. For more than half a century, the Darvaza Gas Crater has burned in the desert, a glowing reminder that some mistakes do not disappear quickly. Some are visible from miles away. Some become tourist attractions. And some keep burning long after the people who made the decision are gone. The real mystery of the door to hell is not whether it is supernatural. It is not. The real mystery is how a temporary fix became a fire that lasted for decades, and how long it will take before the desert finally goes dark again.